This is Hollyland Lark M1 and this become very popular microphone nowadays. This is a very lightweight microphone which can record audio at 14-bit. It also has a smart noise cancelling option, a compact charging case. So let's unbox it and review quickly. So I did open this box previously, so you'll not find it very intact, but you will see everything inside the box. I'll also explain which I bought separately. So inside the box you'll get a very nice quality case to carry your microphone. And let's see what's inside this case. Oops. So here is the case and the accessories. So this is the charging case. What's inside we'll see soon. They have given us two windshields to use on two transmitter. On the other side you'll get a USB Type-C charging cable. So one TRS to TRS cable and another one is TRS to TRS cable. This one I had to buy separately because on my S22 Ultra I don't have any audio jack, so it's TRS to USB Type-C. Here is a user manual and probably the warranty instruction as well. So that's all in the box. Let's see what's inside this case. You can see the charge indicator here. This is our receiver which we will be using or connecting with our phone or DSLR. There is two transmitter which you will put in your chest here or wherever you want. Here is another one, same as the right one. So that's it inside the case. Let's look at the receiver first. So here is the receiver. You can see it's trying to pair with the other transmitter, but because I have not opened those yet, it's not connected, so it's just beeping the color. And on this receiver here you'll see there is a power button. You don't really need to use this power button because I have never used it. Whenever you put it in your box it will turn off automatically, and whenever you open the transmitter and receiver it will connect automatically. You don't have to do anything. The audio you receive on this receiver here, it will go out from here to your phone or DSLR. And on this side this is charging port if you want to charge it separately, or you can just put it into the case and charge all of your transmitter and receiver together. Here is a volume gain button, but there is no display, so you won't really see how much volume you're increasing or decreasing. And also by holding this button here you can switch between mono and dual channel mode. You can see it's still trying to connect to the transmitter, so let's open the transmitter. Here you'll see it's connecting. So once it's connected, both of them are blue. So I'll also put this into my chest here. This is how we set up this microphone. We'll also test the audio with noise cancelling and without noise cancelling. We'll also see how the audio sounds with the windshield we have got. So here is our windshield. I have not opened it yet, so let's see. It's really useful when you're shooting in a really windy condition, but for indoor recording you don't really need it. So you can already see it's very small. You won't really notice whenever you wear this microphone in your chest or anywhere. You won't notice anything connected to your body. So all the audio you're hearing in my video is from this microphone. I will now switch the microphone to Hollyland Lark M1 and we'll see how it sounds. So the audio you're hearing now is from Hollyland Lark M1. So I'm speaking through this transmitter here and also this transmitter over here. It's not really logical to connect this here. This probably, if I had another person, I will put this on her or his chest. You can hear my voice now with both of this transmitter. So what I will do is now I will put one of these inside the box so it should turn off. Now you're hearing the audio only from this one. Let's check the noise cancelling. So if you click on this yellow button here, so you see this one is green and you can hear my voice and the smart noise cancellation option is working. So let me know how it sounds, and the voice you're hearing is with noise cancelling. And if I switch it off again, you'll see this is blue now, and the voice you're hearing now is without noise cancelling. I'm really in a studio environment, so let me know how the audio sounds. I will also test this outdoor on a separate video so you can hear my voice, how it sounds on outdoor, and the voice you're hearing now in indoor condition. I'll keep recording my audio through this microphone now, and this microphone is really handy because the size of it is really compact and you can take the case outside without any worry. Like you can just fit it into your pocket. You can see the size of it. So if you found this video helpful, do subscribe to my channel. It will help me to create more videos for you. Thank you.